We're starting starting the 10th puzzle. All right, this is the pirate ship Clementoni puzzle, 1500 pieces. All right, so let's get to it. Here we go, opening it up. 1500 pieces there, huh? Open the bag. Alright, let's start this. Go through and find all the edge pieces, like that one. Whoops. Yeah. All right. Edge piece. See, this one's got some for the eggs, and these are little bitty pieces. So I assume the puzzle will be relatively maybe similar size to even the 1000-piece puzzles, with just smaller pieces. I haven't even paid attention to the dimensions of this puzzle. Corner side. I think I've got to go through 500 more pieces than I normally do. These are all kind of, the whole image is kind of dark, so I can already tell this is going to be kind of a little bit on the difficult side. Oh, edge piece. Look, the edges are rounded. Oh, that's cool. That's pretty cool. Huh. I call this an edge piece. It's a corner piece. Another corner piece. Almost. Last corner piece. All corner pieces. Last piece. Corner, edge piece. At least I think. Alright, so, here's our edge pieces, our 4 corner pieces, and edge pieces. It's crazy, sometimes you think edge pieces, like, there won't be that many of them, right? Which, I mean, that's not too bad, but I mean, in comparison to the rest. But anyway, that was a real quick I did like a speed run through it one time to try to hunt down all the edge pieces. I not exactly sure if I got them all. Probably not, just because even in throwing some over into the discard or, you know, gut pile, I would notice one or two here and there, so I grabbed probably 3 or 4 out as I was dumping them over. So there's a very good chance that there are a couple more in there that got by me, but I guess we will see. So one other thing I'll show you though, oftentimes this happens, if you see the piece debris that will be in the bag, it's probably a good idea to maybe like use a colander or something like that to maybe clean out the pieces when you first open it. I didn't think about it this time around because I was just trying to get to it real quick for video reasons and stuff like that. But yes, that will have to be cleaned out. That dust gets in the way and is just nasty. Anyways, but yeah, there's the edge pieces. So my phone though is about to die, so I'll be working on the edge and stuff probably the rest of this night. This is night 1 or day 1, however you want to look at it. And I'll show you the aftermath and let you know whether or not I actually got all the pieces the first time around or not. So anyways, yep. So see you back a little later. It would appear that my first round of picking edge pieces wasn't too bad for a speed round. I appear to have missed 1, maybe 2 pieces. I'm thinking it's just 1, but it could be 2. And obviously side by side, because the rest actually fit. But you see, in relation to the box, the size of the puzzle. Cool, huh? So I'm going to take another quick round through this box, try to find that piece to finish up tonight. It's taken me about, I don't know, an hour to do this edge. The top section was pretty hard. I actually had a section here and a section here backwards. Nothing was adding up after I finally got the top across, and I was trying to come back down through here, and it just wasn't adding up, and these weren't adding up, and I was putting pieces that were in, I had extra, or the pieces I didn't have in, put them together, and I had this long strip. I'm like, okay, and I had a little section over here and a little section over here. I was like, okay, something's not right. So now actually it was just a whole section over here. That's what it was. A whole section over here, or like a half section, I guess, was supposed to be over here, and that whole long section actually went there. So anyways, but yeah, the rest of it came together fairly well. Wasn't too bad. Of course, that was the easiest section because of the writing. Anyways, but yeah, I'm gonna go through that one more time and try to find that piece, and yeah, that'll finish tonight. I found it. I literally went through almost the entire box. That is the dump pile. This is what I had left for that little piece. And voila. But hey, in going through that, trying to find that piece, look what I found. I completed the name in the corner. Okay, well, that is all for night, or day 1. Not bad. Not bad. My back hurts. No, that is a lot of pieces. Just 500 more, still a lot of pieces. But anyways, so edge is done, and I will see what I'll get through maybe tomorrow if I get to it. We'll see. Till next time.